Good Friday, everyone. We've made it to the end of the week, and well, for some of us, it feels like it's just getting started. Looking at our daily weather map for today, we see a large area of strong to severe thunderstorms stretching from Texas to southern Wisconsin. Heavy rainfall, cloud to ground lightning, strong damaging winds. Some tornadoes could be strong and long track. And thankfully, the better part of this action stays to our west, and at times well to our west. But we still have a threat here on the Cumberland Plateau that I'll have to monitor closely as we go through the day and night. Elsewhere across the country, we see some wintry precipitation across New England. We see some wintry precipitation across the upper Midwest. Some states in the upper Midwest are separated by severe thunderstorms in the southern portions of their states and winter storms in the northern part of their states. So a very crazy weather day for the upper Midwest and northern plains. And then on the Pacific Northwest, you see some more mountain snowfall, some of which could be heavy coming in with a new storm system. Looking at our 5-day forecast, we just got a chance for showers today, about a 50% chance, mainly in the morning. 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible by this evening. A wind advisory goes into effect by 7 p.m. this evening. That will remain in effect all night tonight and through most of Saturday. Tonight, we're weather aware for strong to severe thunderstorms. 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts from the south. That's even without storms, lows in the mid-50s. On Saturday, the storms clear out, the sun comes out, but the winds stay up. So we're weather aware on Saturday for wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour, especially the first half of the day. Saturday night, things calm down, skies remain clear. Winds remain elevated, but not, not nearly to the extent that they were on Saturday. Lows in the low 30s, could have some patchy frost. Sunday looking great. Monday, another storm system starts trying to move in. That brings us a chance of showers both Monday and Tuesday, increasing to 50% chance on Tuesday night. That's all part of a big, powerful storm system that's going to bring even more severe weather to the central U.S., and we'll once again have to track that eastward to see what it brings us by Wednesday. Time frame for tonight, midnight to 4 a.m. Flash flood threat is low, but not zero. Straight line wind threat is high. For one reason, we're going to have southerly winds up to 45 miles an hour anyway, so it's not going to take much to get a severe wind gust. Hail threat is low. Tornado threat is straddling the border between low to medium, and I think it's going to stay there. I think if anything, I might even lower that tornado threat a little bit. So, but it's not zero. So an isolated tornado still cannot be ruled out. Strong damaging winds, straight line winds are still our main threat. On this day in 1923 is a cold day, too cold for storms. Nashville bottomed out at 21 degrees with a high of only 36. Both are records for this day. And in 1890, St. Louis, Missouri wasn't worried about tornadoes like they are today. They were under 20 inches of snow in only 24 hours. Worst snowstorm of record for St. Louis. And I'm telling you, I don't know how many times I've seen cities and states have their worst snowstorms on record in the month of March. So there's always hope, just not this year. You folks have a wonderful Friday. I'll be visiting schools in Fentress County through the early afternoon, but then after that I'll be right back here checking things out. And I'll be checking things out as I'm out and about today as well, and give you an update sometime this afternoon, and then I'll be with you all through the night until the threat is over. You just keep it right here to meteorologistmark.com.